Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hello, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm making Foxtail Millet Kheer. You can make this using any millet, especially Kodo millet and Barnyard millet can be easily cooked. That's why you can use them. If not, anything else is suitable as well. Even you can make it with rice. So why is this special? Because it can be given to babies about 8 months if you can add on dry dates powder or any natural sweetener. And millets are gluten free, they are nutritious, they are easily digestible and keeps your baby energetic for the whole day, which is the real requirement of growing toddlers, isn't it? So let's dive right in and see how to make this millet kheer.
I'm taking foxtail millet today. You can take barnyard millet, kodo millet, little millet, everything would be suitable for this recipe. So I have rinsed it twice and now I'm adding it to the pan followed by water. You can cook it with milk as well, but it cooks quickly with water, and you can even pressure cook it for about 3 whistles. For 15 to 20 minutes this needs to be cooked. Strain and keep it aside if you find that there is more water. In another pan, a thick bottom pan rather, I'm adding ghee followed by cashew nuts. Almonds, chopped would be better. Raisins. We'll quickly fry it for about 2 minutes until it turns brown. Just like this, it's all ready. Now you can transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside for further use. In the same pan, I'm adding milk. I'm adding sugar. These are some Kesar or saffron strands. The measurement of all the ingredients are given in the description box. Please have a look. Cardamom powder I have added now. Some people like to add vanilla. You can even try that. Bring the mixture to a good boil. And now it's time to add the cooked millet. Mix it well. Cook it for about 5 minutes. We just want millet to absorb the flavor of the milk, cardamom and everything, and now it's all ready. It's time to add fried nuts and raisins. Mix it well, just for a minute if you want, put it on the flame, otherwise serve it immediately. Refrigerate it for a while to serve it chilled, and for this Garmi ka mausam, this makes a great dish when served chilled. So Foxtail Millet Kheer.
I've been using millet in my kitchen since 4 years, be it daily khichdi, rice, pulao, fried rice, any sort of recipes I've included it, and this is one add-on to my millet ka recipe list. So if you like this, please don't forget to give this video a like and comment and tell me what more would you like to see here. Subscribe to see more videos from our channel. So if some of my friends say that though they have subscribed, they don't get a notification, it can be because you have not clicked on that bell icon. So go now and click on that bell icon to get updates, regular updates. Bye bye.